Hi friends, today's lesson is all about the tricky consonant vowel sounds. Our learning goal for today says, I can read tricky letter teams. See friends, sometimes when two letters get together, they just make up their own sound. Kind of like when CI gets together and makes the sh sound. Now we all know C normally makes the k sound. And what does I make? Yeah, I. But when C and I get together, they go totally wild, and instead they say, shh. You say it. Yeah, shh. Good job. Okay, so today when we see C and I, we're going to make sure we put in the sound shh. Like in this word. Can you guess what that word is from the picture? Yes, musician. See how C and I makes the shh sound? What about this word, friend? Ooh, this word says delicious. Like this donut. Yeah, delicious. Hear that sh sound? Let's put these two words into a sentence. This sentence says, the musician loves to eat delicious donuts. Me too, friends. Do you like delicious donuts? Oh, good. We know that in the word musician and the word delicious, the CI is going to make that great sh sound. Let's try some more CI words where the CI makes the sh sound. Like this word, friends. There's that CI. It's going to say shh. What do you think that word is? Great job. Yeah, official. Awesome. What about this word? I see CI making the sh sound. Yes, special. Good job. Let's do one more. Oh, this is a big old word. I see CI in there and it's going to say the sh sound again. Let's figure this one out together. Electrician. Electrician. Oh, that's someone who works with electricity. They might fix your lights or your TV if it's not working. Great. All right, so words like official, special, and electrician all have CI making the sh sound. Now sometimes CI gets a little more wild and it doesn't even say the sh sound. Let me show you some of those rule breakers, okay friends? Like these words, cinnamon and circle. Now when CI gets together in the word cinnamon and circle, it's not making a sh sound. What sound is it making, friends? Yes, it's just making a s sound. So sometimes when we see CI, we might have to flippy dolphin that sound. We might have to say shh, or we might have to flip the sound and try it with s. You're just going to have to test it out. All right, so let's try reading the word cinnamon and circle in a sentence. Here we go. I sprinkled the cinnamon on the circle cookie. See, I underlined them in red that time to give you a clue. It's going to make the s sound. Let's look at some more CI words. We have the word special, where CI makes the sh sound, and the word circus, where CI makes the s sound. Go ahead and read special and circus. Good job, friends. Okay, so here's our sentence. As we get to the CI word, I'm going to stop and let you read it. Here we go. As a good special treat, we went to the circus. Great job flipping that sound of the CI to either say sh or s. You know, our learning goal for today said, I can read tricky letter teams, like CI making the sh sound. We know that we have to be very careful as readers to think about all the things happening with those letters. And now we've practiced some tricky letter teams. So when you get to CI, make sure you try out the sh sound. Good luck, friends.